Hey,
Hey, you smell like pot.
I didn't smoke anything.
Who are you with?
Just some friends from school. I left you a note.
Yeah, you will even know when you're up to something. Why didn't you just text me?
I don't know, my phone died. We just drove around.
And got high?
I didn't smoke anything. They asked if I wanted to go out. I said okay. It's not that big of a deal. I'm not gonna be some fucking loser that tells them not to smoke just because I don't.
Do not talk to me like that. Come back here.
And why should I wait around for you while you're at work all day? How is that fair?
I'm glad you're fitting in. I really am. I just want you to make smarter decisions than that.
What, like all the amazing decisions you've made?